Okay guys, so just some slight comments about the backpack that I'm carrying right now. It is not as tiring as I would have imagined, because it's light, it's a tall backpack. It kind of frames really well on your back, so the weight is just distributed equally. So far no issues carrying this backpack until probably I get a very heavy order. So far so good, The only issue that I have with this backpack is that I'm probably just not used to lah. I have to keep on taking the backpack out, put it on the ground, get the food, then carrying it up again. So that's the only thing that I find a bit troublesome lah. But if you are a cyclist that do not want to, for some reason you do not want to put a rack, and Venom got blue colour, man. I think this one she go and paint herself. So if you are a cyclist that do not want to put a rack, maybe a fixie, those fixie riders that don't want to put a rear rack and they want to carry a backpack, this is my thoughts on that lah. A bit of an inconvenience lah, but if you are doing part-time, then you do you, bro. New cards available. Oh, the card is the performance, like yay, way to go, you have earned 1580 more than yesterday. How many orders do we have right now? 3 bookings completed. We need more orders. Orders coming a bit. Orders not coming hot today. Not sure if it's due to the app issue or is due to, it shouldn't be this case. Today is first day of phase 2, or is it due to over demand of riders? Let's find out in the next couple of days. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!